Welcome to week 2 of dollar cost averaging $10,000 in 2023. If you guys saw the first video, I'm taking $10,000, dividing it up by 52 weeks, and I'll be investing almost $200 every single week the entire year. I will be buying many different projects, many different coins in order to dollar cost average, in order to see the final results after 1 year of DCAing into crypto. A lot of people will tell you simply dollar cost average in the bear market and you are going to make the most profits. So we are literally putting this theory to the test. Last week we ended up purchasing $197 worth of Polygon Matic, but today the crypto market is up again and a lot of the coins are way higher than they were a week ago. But to me that does not matter. I will be buying every single week, no matter if it's a red week or if it's a green week. Then we will be able to get an accurate estimate at the end of the year. And now let's go over to the computer screen so we can buy some more crypto. Let's go. Now we are inside of my iTrust Capital account, and this is where I'll be buying the next coin. As you can see, our Polygon Matic position is up over 1.2%, which is pretty good, and we are making a little bit of profits. But today we are going to look at the overall market, and as you can see, Algorand is down 0.74%, Cardano is down 0.36%, Chainlink almost 4%, Cosmos, Ethereum, Polkadot, everything is pretty much down except Polygon Matic, Bitcoin, and Shiba. But in today's video, we will be buying some Polkadot. So we're simply going to press buy/sell, and right here we will enter in the amount of Polkadot that we will be buying. But first, let's go over to the spreadsheet, and we are going to enter in Polkadot. That is the next one we will be buying for week 2. Now that we have a slot for Polkadot, our budget for this week is $192.30, and we will be using the full amount to purchase some Polkadot. Now we are back on iTrust Capital. We are going to enter in 192.3. So for $192.30, we will be buying Polkadot at $5.76. We will be receiving 33.37 Polkadot. Also, the iTrust Capital fee is almost $2. So our total cost is $194.22. So we are going to submit market buy. We are going to confirm, and we should have our Polkadot. As you can see, the market buy has been completed, and now we officially have some Polkadot. So we are going to press OK, and now we are going to take this information and we are going to enter it in to the spreadsheet. So we have 33.057 Polkadot. Now I have entered in the information for week 2. We ended up purchasing at $5.75. The total amount spent is $194.22. And right here is the full confirmation, so you can see that the order was executed. Now we are going to deduct the cost from our total amount, which is $9,802.80. So we're simply going to subtract $194.22. The new amount that we have left is $9,608.58. 9608.58. We're going to make it bold and we're going to convert it into currency. As you can see, my spreadsheet is very simple. My main goal is to track every single purchase to see the full power of dollar cost averaging in the bear market. One other thing that I would like to mention, if you want to sign up to iTrust Capital, I would appreciate it if you use the link in the description box below. If you use that link, you'll be able to get $100 absolutely free that you can use to purchase some crypto. Alright, so now we are going to click on staking beta. One of the reasons I bought Polkadot is so I can stake it and make more. And as you can see, the minimum amount is 5 Polkadot, but we have over 33. So we're simply going to press continue. We're going to press all of these check marks. We're going to continue once again. I will be staking my entire Polkadot position. As you can see, the rate is 9.5%, which is not bad at all, and is locked up for 90 days. Personally, I do not plan on selling any Polkadot in the next 90 days, so I feel very comfortable locking it up. And hopefully, I'll be able to earn more in the process. Also, all the coins that I'll be buying that are easily stakeable, I will be staking in order to earn even more crypto in the long run? What is better than buying in the bear market and then earning more the entire time, and then when the bull run returns, we'll be making even more money? All right, so now we are going to press continue, and we are going to confirm this transaction. All right, now we are officially staking 33.57 Polkadot. See you guys in 90 days so we can see exactly how much free Polkadot we have earned. Also, this entire week, the crypto market has been pumping higher and higher. And I was literally trying to time the perfect time to buy. But every single day I wake up and I'm like, let me look at the market. It is up 2, 3%, 5%. Next day, same thing, same thing. So I literally waited the entire week instead of simply picking a day in the middle and buying. I ended up buying at the very top of this week. Hopefully the following weeks the market will slightly pull back and we'll be able to buy at slightly lower prices. All right, everybody, that is all I have for today's quick video. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications, and see you in the next video. Peace out.